In this video, I will show you how to fix ChatGPT app search not working. If your search is not working, first thing that you need to check is your internet connection. Make sure that you're connected to stable Wi-Fi connection, or you could try switching between mobile data and internet connection. Next thing that you need to do is simply tap and hold on to ChatGPT icon. Click on more features, then click on app info. After that, ChatGPT's app info will open. Simply click on force stop, confirm it, then click on storage uses, click on clear cache. After that, try to relaunch ChatGPT. Then next thing that you can do is go to Play Store. In the search bar, search for ChatGPT. Here, check if there is any update available. If there is, then simply update your app. And if your app is already up to date, what you can do is click and hold on to ChatGPT icon. Click on uninstall. Then try to reinstall your app and sign into your account. And if your ChatGPT search is not working even after all this, what you can do is check its web version. Go to Chrome, search for chatgpt.com, and in its web version, try to search for anything, then it should start working. One last thing that you need to ensure is that your VPN or your proxy or anything is not enabled. If it is, then simply turn it off. And that's it. That's how you can fix ChatGPT app search not working. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.